Previously on Charlie's One English Point.
To lose one's train of thought means to forget what one was talking or thinking about.
Yo! What up, English learners? It's Charlie here. Today's 1-minute English lesson is to kill two birds with one stone. 皆さん、今日の 1-minute English lesson は to kill two birds with one stone. To kill two birds with one stone は一石二鳥という意味です。To kill two birds with one stone means to succeed in achieving two things in a single action. And for example, I killed two birds with one stone and went to the gym on my way to the supermarket. 日本語ではスーパーに行った時についでにジムに行った一石二鳥。Alright guys, that's all for today. 皆さん、それでは。
Yo, what up English learners? Welcome back to today's 1-minute English lesson. Today's English lesson is to kill two birds with one stone. To kill two birds with one stone. What that means is to successfully do two things by accomplishing one thing. So you have to imagine like you throw a stone at a bird and it hits one bird and hits the other bird and you kill both of them. Now, a good example of this would be you're going to the store, and as you're going to the store, you're going to pick up a friend. So you would say, hey, I'm going to the store. I'm going to pick you up while going to the store. I'm going to kill two birds with one stone. What you're doing is you're completing two goals with one task. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps you, and I'll see you guys next time. See you guys later. Peace.